Abusuafo for me chat obi abe na wakwaba na de baba Grace TV so me say obo amia to obi abe abusuafo sure so we can watch on this one or subscribe ya mama na wa turn your notification obi a na wa share ama for friends so you dey share so obi enti Em0tional also so dey for now ina him say be say aboso me kakra ni dey that be one sense bia na etwago and all the dim komo e wo ye man Ghana mu na ade echi ade san ipam pem obi apeso hu de ekoso na wo ten se mo asi the one we go to sorry cause oh sabi the antiqual assemble high court na court what say ma me Akosua Serwaa no do go ni omuna yele say ba me bi an kra tabi so de ba wan fa ma ebi kwa si o sabi ebi no kwa kama no kusi say lawyer ya o kinu ma me Akosua Serwaa ya kusi na wo say o twe krata akope authentication bi and na one year ya ma Kumasi high court tina so ebu asem no edit ti na so bu ase ye na wade na ye abrocha wade mbele mu de entu na on say abre bia ya na ye kan say no say ma dance kan so abre nya men cha de say kan character bia ba hontin ye chere say no correct ama Akosua Serwaa de na so ka check court your kind Emma employer kusi ye lawyer ye using the my Akosua Serwaa character na so trade ko the Ghana embassy or Germany akope nchemu akope a dance authentication from one or trade na I said yeah or more can say administration gap I said the Abiana you may so be na went to me and the man of wasa and then the queen any after one once and crata in Sarkodie ye betu ya boasi ni go to me na kakra they will say what is boy ma me Akosua Serwaa here what is was boy we dem pusi a eye me high court ruling yeah 1 year ma me Akosua Serwaa na what there yes civil marriage and ordinance marriage to name original the customary marriage so in 1991 now original don't do so customary marriage so in the year 2010 obetia see ti enya bufo enya ntokwa name say ye ka asem a ye nka na say city e ma ni be film and ye mfa bi enka ho krata ya ye bi di ahwe the ma me Akosua Serwaa e twere go da court a na o sere court a church say mama court ati ase say ono onda de ba o ma ware emere e wo jama bridge mem empu that lumba for a German citizen yeah compare say bro we nya media no e tu kwa German krata say German ni na fi be say pem yenu Ashanti mo 2000 over baby that lumba e dey now on a Ghanaian identity yeah o ditu so e German ni tinana mo to bia ni bia na esefata se court ehwe na say the German mara and Ghana kra mara efa say obi ye o man mu so ma fro so bi pa say is no to am na aboa ama na to bi akọ to no o ma dwani na ho o bi ya suji but in the long run because body na to be it's as a culture say authentication bi ya na fa wa bi nkata no ya na person tell say e ye wa ya kusi so for so say ya nsa kakata ya wa ya kusi atwe they call the German embassy I mean the Ghana embassy or Germany brand authentication then so boy much today yen chance you free asem a ye ma me Akosua Serwaa atwe at the command the Kumasi High Court and that's so bring was letter to honorable court in the matter of the late Mr. Sarkodie deceased that to a leadership justice Dr. Smith Alpha Kumasi High Court Kumasi Ashanti region Ghana through Mr. William Kusi Esquire counsel for the applicant on behalf of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa lawful widow and German citizen na secretary ya me Akosua Serwaa the train mum o man the lawyer ni ba Kusi the train and the command we will try the command team of the asema kasa o the Kumasi High Court leadership justice Dr. Smith Alpha or try the command to use it but yan share if you also legal clarification regarding the citizenship status of the late Mr. Sarkodie that number and the corresponding rights of the widow they said madam wo church and say one ma sabi ma meeting one for the court or tia say that number I can answer or no baby o free any on my or ye what she and on fe say obasi you so my or ye would she ya so so e fa kuna ye any here and say it's not your character or say may it please the honorable court may can guys a twam abako that was character about November there about here but it's only be a baby and I'm for cantina if you the money at Yasamasi. Now, I was young, Obi can out you almost always see a children for other man. You see, may it please the honorable court. I, Mrs. Akosua Serwaa widow of the late Mr. Charles Kodjo, respectfully write through my counsel, Mr. William Kusi Esquire, to provide legal clarification concerning my late husband's citizenship status and the consequent implications for custody and funeral rights under both Ghanaian and German law. Listen, or Trey Carter will choose was so called to pass, or no one ever says officer. And one man lawyer Trey Carter ever done court. No church in single family, one man, money, said, you couldn't that lumber, Charles Kodjo, baby, or free. Ɛyɛ ɔman a ɔyɛ ɔmo de hyɛ ɛna afei sunsunsuansoɔ ɛfa ne kora sɛ ebesi akora no ɛyɛ mu hyɛ nyinaa sɛdeɛ Ghana mmara ne German must teɛ ti yɛdi kan ɔka wɔn asɛm sɛ citizenship of the deceased ɔsɛ my late husband Mr. Charles Kodjo and I are both German citizens. In the year 2000 my husband formally applied for German citizenship which was duly granted. That's a 2000 I think premium no that number ɛyɛ sɛ ɔpɛ German krataa na ɔbɛyɛ German ni. Following that, in accordance with Section 9 of the Ghana Nationality Act 1971, Act 361, he renounced his Ghanaian citizenship by submitting a written declaration to the Ministry of Interior through the Embassy of Ghana, Consular Section, then located at Rehenel 36-58531, Bonn, Germany. That's it. Germany said, you couldn't just believe us on my Akosua Serwaa. Only a German this year. Yeah, our film premium, that number. I applied for German citizenship. Omo de man no. Said the Ghana and or Nationality Act 1971, Act 361, Section 9 1. That was this will be a German, it's also a power in Ghana. Ni ya wa yem, a chinenunti, or the Encarta Ministry of Interior. What Ministry of Interior, the Encarta of Far Man, or the Far Embassy of Ghana, Consular Section, or German Bridge Memo. So since you obey German into or power in Ghana, the hour. Let us also say his pronunciation was processed under file number SCR-TA14-184-01AG and he paid the official fee of 200 Dutch marks in Bonn, Germany. Next, or Chancellor, a blood of the Carter, Akoma, the Ghana embassy, I disagree on the Interior Ministry of Ghana. I say, this is obey Germany to the Ghana people. Carter, I don't see any trouble. You'll be a person who be a bit of a small equivalent. And after we know 2 years guys with 200 Dutch marks and the German Sika, yeah, that was what you. It was also at that time, the Honorable Alhaji Malik Al Hassan Yakubu served as a Minister for Interior as of 21st October 2001. Attached here is a copy of the letter of pronunciation as well as supporting documentation. That's a Sabrina or so far on the interior and sense and so on. No, boy, Yam the Krata or Trade Command. It also be say confirmation of renunciation and German citizenship. Subsequent to the approval of his application, my late husband surrendered his Ghanaian passport number A520586, which had been issued on 8 July 1996 and was issued a certificate of renunciation of Ghanaian citizenship number 699 in 2002. This certificate was signed by Mr. William B. Bater on behalf of the head of mission of the Ghana Embassy in Bonn, Germany. A copy of this certificate, as well as a copy of Mr. Fosu's German passport, are attached for the court inspection and verification. That's it. And that's what Lumba, a very German, Navy, to not to a carta, so we see our partner, Mochi, on your Ghana Libians. The Ghana passport, what the quay, that's a command paying for. Ghana passport, near the man, oh, I feel up in my house, you couldn't see him. And 4 years later, 2000, I applied self persuade Germany. I'm here demanding. Now I said, or then a Ghana passport, echo. And Saka. And Kata said, the original song was only Ghana Libian, a film premium, enemy. And Kata, Yan Sakayano, not a friend, said William B. Bater, Yan head of mission, our Ghana Embassy, or Bonn, Germany, and on his chassis. Tina and Kata, some certificate that Chelsea was here on your Ghana Libya, or Germany, and then Kata be an Fatano. I said, over the Caron and the prayer the Kumasi High Court. And Chelsea said, look at that, says, you're Ghana Libya. As far back as 2002, by a Germany, it's a court episode 1 and seeing a just with Germany, and the court wanted German Mara, after Ghana Marasa is it. And yet, humanity is a to be a court of M1 and Kayan for money. Then get up matching to the legal wife for Em0tional&Heätbreaking office. It's not just our carter now. After it also being say legal implications of renunciation. So we go up and say, I'm a Ghana Libya one. As soon as one is saying, whatever I was saying. My late husband made a clear and conscious decision to renounce his Ghanaian citizenship. As such, under Ghanaian law, Once renunciation is completed and the certificate issued, the individual ceases to be recognized as a Ghanaian citizen and forfeits rights associated with Ghanaian customary family status abusua. And to say, so Koba said, Akoba so we pound when she said, "Oh, this is a Ghana in him." Not the captain now was see other Ghana in him. Or bear on my first year. Near the cat has one certificate just and passes the other Ghana in him. Sam Brennan, Nipano, a family, and they can say, "A mamma and your money be a 5-year Ghana." Say, Monsieur Kobe tried be a mamma and your money. And yet you more than a course of you. It's answer what pounding what she was. We are Ghana and as I'm Madame, mamma and your money. I have my was about pounding what she. You'll be a German. It's now a circle say, "What's M1?" And that's what be a German, you know. Any daily book is a fantastic German and running Ghana must, you know. Almost M1 in your Jumanimum, Sarkodie, a Ghana, a mamma and your money, a Pusian and some, then Mabus your opinion to me, our name was, said court one canina, no, want to move. Now all poor do, said the Papa, so a German citizen. After it was to be more said. Accordingly, Mr. Fosu ceased to be a member of any Ghanaian Abusuan lineage, including the corner Abusuan, and therefore cannot be subject to the authority of an Abusuan such as Mr. Kofi Wusu. And Ochi was when I'm saying, on your Ghana, you know, bear Jama and Intino, no quitting a baby. On your Ghana into one Ghana Abusuan be our if it is a corner Abusuan, this is all the year they are. And yet, not that number. Abusuan penny be any 2 months, so there was a penny, 7 Abusuan penny of Wusu, any 2 hours. After Uber Farmer, we say applicable German law on custody of remains. Or say, under German civil law, particularly the principles of posthumous personal rights and next of kin authority, the right to custody, burial decisions and funeral arrangement of a deceased person belong exclusively to the legal spouse and surviving children, not to extended family members. It is therefore respectfully submitted that as both my late husband and I were German nationals, the laws of Germany govern such matters, and those rights rest solely within the lawful widow and legitimate children. I say, or come up to say, and I'm saying, I German, and I jumped in by German, it's German, man, and mine, and he watching, I don't talk to me, and go back, send me who achieve a never cry, a real crown, and then ye a back or soon, you'll be not here, any who say me now, and to be a funny word, cheap be our. And I'm saying German renting, and you will know Akosua Serwaa. Yeah, well, and I feel the ma, yeah, catch you, and I was up to me, and yet, Sabi, Abusuan standing from the Abusuan, Cassia, as Abusuan thing to be and I was out to me. Some Malawi, and it's out to me in a cry. And you will not call me, yeah, young Brajin too, and I feel the ma, yeah, so made legitimate, and I joined to say, oh, man. Now it was also say, it will be contrary to both Ghanaian and international legal principles for my husband to have been recognized as a German citizen during his lifetime, traveling globally on a German passport, yet to be treated as a Ghanaian subject to customary control only upon his death. Just a bargain. That's what you're saying now. Power that you say when you're Ghanaian, a Germany, or to go away from a German, and a German and crack out now. No, go ahead, you're you're being a German, so not to change so a Ghana into Ghana. A mamma and your money. Yeah, maybe you're paying to me. And I'm not a year. And I look at what be said 20 years a request for judicial consideration. So say, I feel no was I can't very emotional. Or Sarkodie court in Wontumi, not until nothing. You are never just a one acre. What's it was Sarkodie? Sarkodie in Wontumi, not until nothing. Now let's say, then I'll catch a court. Say, I therefore respectfully pray this honorable court to take judicial notice of the attached documentation which conclusively establishes that that's all in Katebi Quarter. Ancient we can say the late Mr. Charles Fosu legally renounced Ghanaian citizenship in 2002. And they are back and that number upon which one Ghanaian or renouncing citizenship as a Ghanaian in the year 2002. After it also means he was at the time of his passing a German citizen. Bro, you are not a Ghanaian, not a German. After say accordingly, the right over his remains and funeral arrangements lie under German jurisdictional principles vested his lawful spouse. Now, I said, that's why German is a far name to hear and be a catch be a German, and Malahi German, a man say, and they want to be also. And that's what the German ran my own point say. sɛ wokunu nyame deɛ a na yie ho nhyɛn no nsuo biara no ɛyɛ yere anaasɛ deɛ waka akyire sɛ yɛ bɛrima na ɛwu ɔbaa no sɛ ɔbaa nso ka sɛ bi wɔwu a bɛrima no ɛna wɔtumi wɔ so so ɔsɛ Mrs. Akosua Serwaa for so and his children that mean one yes after it also say I respectfully urge the court to uphold my right as a lawful I respectfully urge the court in you to uphold my right as a lawful widow and a German citizen and to recognize that the handling of the body and related matters fall within my legal authority and above Ghanaian, German, and Ghanaian law, consistent with Section 9 of Act 361 and the doctrines of matrimonial committee and private international law. They say, okay, never know also court, say court to man. Now, I'm going to do say, obey Kulani, ya Brady to me. I was also a German, this year, look a German. Now, for more crime, say, you couldn't see the Kura. No, ɔno maame Akosua Serwaa ɛna ɛwɔ saa tumi no ɛwɔ saa nsɛm nyinaa so sɛdeɛ German mmara German amammerɛ German amanneɛ nyinaa ɛnso esi ɛteɛ. Abusuafoɔ nti saa na ɛteɛ krataa yi maame Akosua Serwaa atwerɛ de bɛdan court ɛberɛ a na asɛm no wɔ high court ɛna ɔtwerɛ de berɛ tewuafoɔ ɔte adwuma mu sɛ o maame wadaro mu a me kunu sei ne sei na ɛteɛ na seesi akora deɛ nkrataa bi a wobɛhia sɛ bɛyɛ a wobɛte asɛm a meka aseɛ no bɛde abrɛ wo ɛsan sɛ no so yie sɛ ne nyinaa ba no bɛdan court ɔbɛboa ama court ɔnya nsɛm no mu nkyerɛmu yie na broni bɛka sɛ I inform the ruling anaasɛ decision a court bɛyɛ ɛsan sɛ ɔno sɛ asɛm ba court awɔ adanseɛ biara biribi a ɛho bɛnya sɛ ɔde bɛba but unfortunately ɛm sɛ ne nyinaa bɛduru court yɛ no court kyerɛ sɛ daabi ɔgye to mu a ɛnyɛ yie because awadeɛ nkrataa no court sɛ authentication ne nneɛma bi ankɔ so nti ɔgye to mu a ɛnyɛ yie yɛ a wɔbɔto gu yɛ sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ na ayɛ no nti ɛyɛ very sad but the tree the incentive juba bi ebisi o maame Akosua Serwaa akyire lumba ewuwie yɛ anaasɛ court bu asɛm wie yɛ afei na ɔbɛka sɛ o ɔyɛ Germany ɛde nkrataa bi ne adeɛ bada bi nkrataa na obehia na ɔde bɛdan court na authentication deɛ ɔsɛ no na sɛ ɔmo akyerɛ mu sɛ ɛyɛ administration gap aban ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo de bi kɔma Ghana embassy yɛ ɛwɔ Germany yɛ ananka wɔ sɛ ɔboa ɔmo edi some days na ɔrespond yɛ ɔsɛ dɛbi ɔmo nyɛ saa wɔ nti ɔmo reform de ɔmo ba Ghana foreign affairs ministry anso baayɛ a ɛnneɛma bi twentwɛn ne nan ase a ɛna ɛma adeɛ sie juba ebi na ebinom eblame yɛ maame sɛ ɔno ana ama gugu ne ade aba that shouldn't be the case we don't have to blame the woman adansi nyinaa wɔ hɔnom yɛ biribiara kyerɛ nsɛm nti mesrɛ yɛnhwɛ de besi bi ayɛ nyame asɛm nti yɛmɔ mpaeɛ sɛ nyame adom a ɔno anka obiara ho na appeal a yɛ maame yi kɔ yi nyame ɛpɛnyɛ hɔnom na biribiara nyɛ asomdwie na pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ mmara medeɛ meka daa da bia meka sɛ deɛ di kan sɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ ama a ɛbɛyɛ den sɛ mentimi ho ase nso ɛto bɛtwa wo bɛsɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ ba na obiara deɛ sɛ fata obiara ɛnya obiara di lem sɛ deɛ sɛ fata bebrebe na ɛto bɛtwa ne nso ɛtumi apɛ kwan ɛto mpɔn ne nyinaa ɛtumi akɔ akɔ anim ɔsɛ si a nokorɛ ne sɛ story biara a wobɛyɛ biara no obiara kora mfi that lumba nsɛm na obiara pɛ sɛ ɔhu deɛ ɛkɔ and yɛn nso yɛakɔ yɛn nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ yi yɛsɛ ne sɛ yɛde bɛsom ɔman Ghana ama yɛhu deɛ ɛkɔ so so baabi a monte ase ɔnyɛ saa na yɛpɛ sɛ da bi yɛda lumba da bi yɛbɛnya nanka akɔda na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ bɛboa ama yɛman Ghana ɛto mpɔn madaroma so nyame nka nyinaa yɛho no ɔnom nyinaa nte aseɛ na biribi anyɛ asodwe meda sɛ ɔgye berɛ na ɔhwɛ me pɛpɛ afi papa de tumi ka na ɛkɔ obi trading enterprise wɔ Kumasi South Interest Chance na ɛkɔgye bi na biribi ankɔ yɛ mfama so na American for Better Grace Financial Services de ama Ghana for more American and Canada Insurance Company papa financial assistance de na this all the bata Better Grace Financial Services every pay me be share macro bye bye.